How to make liquid organic fertilizer from potato peels. Potato peel collection. Collect potato peels that are clean of any remaining soil or dirt. Fermentation. Preparation. Mix the potato peels with sufficient water in a closed container. Add a fermentation bacteria starter, such as M4, to speed up the process. Fermentation. Let the mixture sit in a closed container for a period of time, e.g., 10 to 14 days until fermentation occurs. Ensure the container is tightly closed for anaerobic fermentation. Indicators. A successful liquid fertilizer will smell like fermentation tape and will not be foul, and will be a thin liquid. Application. The liquid organic potato peel fertilizer is ready for use by diluting it with air before applying it to plants. Benefits of liquid organic potato peel fertilizer. Plant nutrition. This fertilizer is rich in potassium, phosphorus, and other nutrients essential for plant growth. Soil fertility. Improves soil fertility and helps plants absorb nutrients better. Environmental health. Reduces organic waste and dependence on chemical fertilizers. Pest control. Several studies show that potato peels can help eliminate certain pests from plants. Important notes. As rotten peels can carry disease. Proper fermentation. Proper fermentation will produce a high-quality fertilizer that is safe for plants. Proper use. Dilute the liquid fertilizer before application to avoid overdosing on plants. By utilizing potato peels as liquid organic fertilizer, we can reduce waste, improve soil fertility, and support more sustainable agriculture. Here are several ways to make potato peels for plants. 1. Compost. Collect potato peels along with other kitchen scraps. Place them in a compost bin or compost pile. Ensure the potato peels are thoroughly decomposed before using them as fertilizer. Potato peel compost can help enrich the soil and provide nutrients for plants. 2. Organic liquid fertilizer, PUKITA. Potato peels can be fermented into organic liquid fertilizer, PUKITA. The fermentation process produces a nutrient-rich fertilizer that supports plant growth. PUKITA can improve soil fertility and reduce dependence on chemical fertilizers. While it takes longer to produce, PUKITA offers significant environmental benefits. Seed starter. Cut a potato in half and make a small hole in the center. Add soil and seeds to the hole. Once the seedlings have sprouted, transplant the potatoes into the garden soil. The decaying potato will release nutrients that benefit the plant. Additional tips. Make sure the potato peels you use are not rotten or infected. Infected potato peels can spread disease to other plants. Pay attention to the composting process to ensure the potato peels decompose properly. Organic liquid fertilizer from potato peels takes longer to produce, but is beneficial for the environment. The best time to apply homemade liquid organic fertilizer to plants is in the morning between 6 o'clock and 9 a.m. or in the afternoon between 4 o'clock and 6 p.m., when the sun is not too hot. Avoid applying fertilizer during hot weather or during heavy rain. More detailed explanation. Morning. The air is still fresh and the temperature is not too high, so the plant absorbs nutrients optimally. Sick today. The air temperature begins to drop after the sun is not too hot, so nutrient absorption is also better. Avoid midday. Hot sunlight can stress the plant and inhibit nutrient absorption from the fertilizer. Besides timing, also consider the following. Dilution. Liquid organic fertilizers need to be diluted with air before being applied to plants. Frequency. Liquid fertilizer can be applied once a week or as needed by the plant. How to apply. Fertilizer can be applied by spraying it on the leaves or pouring it into the growing medium. Plant condition. Pay attention to the condition of the plant when fertilizing. If the plant is sick or stressed, apply a lower dose of fertilizer or delay fertilizing. Plants appear more fertile after applying homemade liquid organic fertilizer. Liquid organic fertilizers, especially homemade ones, are rich in the nutrients plants need for healthy and thriving growth. The fermentation process used to make liquid organic fertilizers also helps increase nutrient availability for plants. Reasons why plants thrive after applying liquid organic fertilizers. Complete nutritional content. Liquid organic fertilizers contain various macro and micronutrients needed by plants for various growth phases, including vegetative, stem and leaf growth, and generative, fruiting and fruit formation, improved soil conditions. Liquid organic fertilizers help improve soil structure,